Cuddly artists. Today, we're drawing a cuddly, lovable teddy bear. Let's bring this cute friend to life with our pencils and imagination. Teddy bears are everyone's favorite snuggle buddies. They can be soft, fluffy, and dressed up in all kinds of outfits. Teddy bears got their name from President Theodore Teddy Roosevelt after a famous bear hunting story. Does your teddy bear have a name? What would you name this one? Teddy bear's eyes have opened. I believe he enjoys what he sees. The first teddy bear was made over 120 years ago, and kids have loved them ever since. Some teddy bears wear clothes, like bow ties, dresses, or even pajamas. Would you give this teddy bear a bow tie, a scarf, or a cute little hat? Teddy bears come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny keychains to bears taller than you. Great! Look at this adorable teddy bear. It's already so cuddly. Now it's time to add some color, make it warm and cozy with our favorite shades. Let's get coloring with our favorite crayons or markers. A teddy bear can be a great friend to share secrets with. They're great listeners. Teddy bears are often given as gifts to show love and comfort. Do you think this teddy bear is for hugs, tea parties, or bedtime stories? Some teddy bears have music or lights inside to help kids sleep. What's your favorite teddy bear memory? Did you ever take one on an adventure? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. What kind of expression should our teddy bear have? Happy, sleepy, or maybe surprised? What's the most fun activity you'd do with this teddy bear if it came to life? Well done! Our teddy bear looks so cute and cuddly. I bet it's ready for a big bear hug. Great job drawing today. I had so much fun drawing with you, and I can't wait for next time.